Welcome at Crypto Future Investing. Today I'm going to show you a nice terminal, nice portal that will show you just hard facts. So you won't be influenced by anyone on YouTube, on TikTok. You're just going to see by yourself how protocols and crypto projects are actually doing at the moment in a crypto bear market. Are they making money? Are they making revenue? Are they expanding? All that hard data is clearly shown on this nice website, tokenterminal.com. So what we can see here is crypto fundamentals for every user. If you look at the menu, click on metrics. Let's say we're going to choose total revenue. So we want to check which protocols are earning the most. Without a doubt, number one is, of course, nobody else but Ethereum. And number two is Ethereum's DEX. And number three is OpenSea. And that is, if you look, the list is by last 180 days. Lido Finance, which is quite interesting because Lido Finance is staking for Ethereum. They're also active on Solana blockchain. And now that Ethereum is proof of stake, Lido is a leader in that field with the most Ether staked. That's why they're making money. Binance Smart Chain, PancakeSwap, which is a DEX on Binance Smart Chain. Then you've got leading lending protocol, which is Aave, leading the derivatives platform, which is GMX, which is nicely sharing profits with the GMX stakers. And then you've got Bitcoin, another derivative platform, DYDX, and another derivative platform, which is Synthetics. And finally, we get to Ethereum name service. This is quite interesting because people are actually booking their names on Ethereum blockchain. So we've got Shaq O'Neal, he booked his name on Ethereum. I think we've got Lady Gaga. We've got all those crazy Arabs. Sorry if you're Arab, but they are booking three numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers. .eth, which is quite interesting. Then another play is Luxrare. Luxrare is a NFT marketplace, which compared to what kind of volume they're doing to current valuation is also good. But we're gonna look at this later. Then we've got Filecoin, X2, Y2, Balancer. Magic Eden is obviously another NFT marketplace, but on Solana. Maple Finance, Helium. Helium is very interesting as well. That's a company that is supported by Google, and they are building a 5G network in US, and they're going to expand to other territories very, very soon. But the most interesting metric that you can find here, in my opinion, is price to earnings. So in our traditional markets, an average cheap stock is at around 20 price to earnings ratio. And because we are in crypto and we are in bear market, we can really find good deals. Look, the lowest DApp P2E ratio is 3.7, which is 6 times cheaper than the average stock market PE ratio. Those are the tokens, but we're going to go to the full list to see them. And number one, with a market cap of 109 million, is X2Y2, which is a NFT marketplace. Second is also NFT marketplace, Luxrare, with 200 million market cap. That is 3.7 price to earning ratio and 5.2 price to earning ratio. Then we've got Synthetics, which is quite big compared to the first ones, 728 million, with a PE ratio of 8.6. CAP, which is derivatives, GMX, which is derivatives, at 11x. MUX, I'm not sure what that is, need to check, 14.4. Then we've got another derivative, dydx, and the only insurance platform that's actually making money, I think, at the moment, which 17.9. Tornado Cash, but this one is a bit risky because of SEC from America and that they're trying to ban it. SpookySwap on the Phantom blockchain is the main DEX, and if we think that Phantom as a blockchain will come back, because as we know they had problems with Andre Cronje leaving, they had problems with a lot of. So Phantom had a nice move up to about 20 billion TVL, so total value locked, and then as quickly as they went up, the total value went down. A lot of problems in that blockchain. Let's hope it's all going to come back to a more positive way for Phantom. The only blockchains that are really doing well right now is, beside Ethereum, is of course Solana, Avalanche, Polygon L2 is doing well, Immutable X is doing well. So if you think that Phantom will do well as well, then SpookySwap is a nice play. The Central Games, the only gaming token at the moment that is actually making money. They're making very simple blockchain games that, as I can see, have users. Ethereum name service is very interesting because that's what people pay to book their names on Ethereum. So you can book, let's say, your name.eth, and you can pay for up to 5 years or something to keep that name, to use it with the connection to your wallets, your identity. Very interesting stuff. Ethereum name service is used by Shaquille O'Neal. It's used by some other stars. Also, people from Arab countries are booking some strange 3, 4, and 5 digit names because they bring luck apparently. So very different applications all over the world. Quite unique application. So very interesting addition to any portfolio. Of course, on this channel we are not recommending anything. We are not financial advisors. All decisions are entirely yours. Next, interesting is SushiSwap. But I don't think it will beat Uniswap or 1inch, so depending. You really need to do a lot of research on SushiSwap. Trader Joe is more interesting. As I said, it's top DEX on Avalanche. Avalanche is also doing well. And then you've got Alchemix, MakerDAO, Liquidity, PancakeSwap, and so on and so on. So there's many more options on this website. You can look from different angles. You can look at competitions. You can look, probably there's more options if you even pay. There's a paid option in here. So have a look. tokenterminal.com. You can have a view with the last 180 days, 1 year, 90 days, 30 days, 7 days, even 1 day, what's happening. And this is one of the best sites that we know and we use. So why not sharing that with you so you can take the most of it as well. So as I said, we're looking for value, and the only thing that we should be looking at the moment is how a protocol or DeFi startup is making, and if they are making actual money. Because if they're making money in bear market and they've got users in bear market, that will only double, triple, quadruple in becoming, hopefully in 2-3 years, our beloved bull market. But until the tops of bull market of 2025, we are probably at the bottom of a crypto market at the moment. So investing wisely in tokens that represent value will definitely give us some fruits of profits in the future. As Ethereum is, as you can see, leading blockchain, 1.4 billion, you can also invest in some ecosystem tokens, DEXs, DeFi, gaming, on leading blockchain as well. Solana is doing very well in gaming, Polygon is doing very well in gaming. So have a look, tokenterminal.com.